Hey people, so this is the first time ever I've kept these little animals here on the bed, so that's why I felt I should record it, because these are special moments. And how much they've grown. Yeah, today, April 18th, they complete exactly 1 month of being on this planet, and how much they've grown. So yeah, they've got like these fiery little personalities. This is Jasper, the light gray one. The dark one is Juno, and these two white ones I'm never able to distinguish, except that this one seems a boy. He's got a bigger face and he's very calm, and that lady there is a girl. We call her Jamie, and this guy is Jupiter. So yeah, so I've just brought something for them to eat, and that lady perennially has like a dirty little face because she's, oh god, they're so busy. Yeah, all of them. I hope she doesn't try to, I feel she might get into trouble, like as in she's a very naughty rabbit. So yeah, hello, what to do with you, Miss Naughty Rabbit? So yeah, I'll try and meditate. I don't know how I'll do that with these little mad little souls. Maybe it was not such a great idea bringing them, but yeah, I wanted to record this video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.